Well, what are they going to help you do? Well, just go in and you'll figure it out. As they walk into your office, well, guess what they're doing when they walk in? The average person. For most people, this is what they're doing. Is they are walking into your office,
mess.
well, making a mess, yeah, and it's because their life is kind of a mess. And so, I mean, you work with people all the time, and frankly, you know, their life story is it's a mess, kind of.
And I think, you know, for so many of us, it's really hard to make sense of the pieces, especially when we're in crisis. And I know with a lot of the women that I work with that are coming out of abuse, they're struggling to see any positive pictures in the middle of the mess that they're a part of.
Yeah.
And life mapping can really help you get a picture of that.
The next thing is we're going to see we come right face to face with a choice. And one of the most exciting things for a life mapping coach is you get to help people know there is a choice and that they can make a choice for authentic living, not just image management.
But learned hopefulness is really helping you plan to fail or plan for challenges, because so often, I mean, I think one of the reasons I hated plans so much for years is because you'd make it and then everything would change. And sometimes you can't control the changes, sometimes we aided the changes, but really learned hopefulness teaches you what to do when those challenges come up, or what do you do when the plan changes.
What are some things that the Lord has right now? What are some roles that you have in your life?
Well, I think the first one is that I'm a wife.
Okay. All right. So we're going to put that up here. Okay. What's another area?
Work is another one for me.
Okay. All right. So we're going to put work up here.
Yep.
All right. Go ahead.
So pick wisely. Well, I see health written down, so I'm going to pick that one.
All right.
But they might pick something totally different.
That's right. That's right. Let's get a clear life plan.
The writing is not clear, but the plan will.
Yeah. And so these are roles. So what we're doing is we're looking at really how do you help people kind of figure out those key areas that they're going to map out.